Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the BTS Dynamite filter on Instagram. And then once you get it on Instagram, you can create videos and then obviously share it to TikTok or any other social medias. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to get this filter in today's video. All you have to do is head over to Instagram and you want to go to your search page and go up to your search bar. And you just want to search for an account called Bert W.O. Garcia. So Bert W.O. Garcia. Just like this, and click on the account, head over to the filters tab, and then you'll see the BTS Dynamite filter right here. So you go ahead and click on that, and like all filters, you could try it out right here, or you could save it to your saved filters, and you'll be able to use it whenever you create new videos. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.